Think, guys, if I tell you that by receiving an SMS, you will get paid for it. Yes, you heard me right. If you're receiving any message and at the same time while you receive the message, you get a second message that your PayPal account has been refilled with this much dollar. So stay tuned with this video. I am going to tell you a hidden trick. By receiving the SMS, you will earn huge amount of money. So stay tuned. Let's get started.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Let me give you a disclaimer before starting this video. By this message, receiving money, you will not be become a millionaire. However, you will end up having enough money to pay you some of your bills. Every money is important, guys, so you have to make sure and just think about it. You are sitting on a couch, having your phone in your hand, just scrolling the Instagram, just searching the videos on YouTube, or just watching my channel on YouTube, and you are getting a SMS from this website and you get paid for it. This is how it works. In this video, I am going to give you detailed review how you can use mcmoneyapp.com website to get paid for receiving the messages. So the application you have to install in your Android phone. Yes, guys, you can't use this application on your iPhone. You need to have an Android phone to use this application. And I'm going to tell you each and every detail how much they paid for you and how secure it is and how you can make more money with this application. Hidden trick I will tell you in the end of the video, so you will get more money to receiving an SMS on your Android phone. So stay tuned with me. The website name is mcmoneyapp.com. Yes, the website name is mcmoneyapp.com, and on the front page you will see an icon that is download APK. What you have to do is you have to download this application from their website and you have to install in your Android phone. And once you install, you have to do a sign up on this application by your actual mobile number. And once you get the sign up thing done or you verified yourself, you will start receiving message randomly. And once you start receiving the message, they will give you some penny or some bucks into your PayPal account. Here you can see earn cash. They are providing the cash to you. Just install the app and we will send you random text SMS message once in a while. You will earn money for each received message from us. So once they send you an SMS, you will get paid for it. It only works on Android, so the Apple user, I'm really sorry for in this video. This trick will not work for you, but you can use any of your friend Android application and give the PayPal account to them. This is 100% secure, and the data which they will collect from your phone or from the user interface, they will not share with anyone. And you can find some of the good reviews from the users, and the specifies I'll tell you. Don't want to receive messages for a while, just disable the MC Money app for a while in the settings. So if you are in a meeting or if you don't want to receive the message for some of the your private time, then you can have an option to disable the disable this SMS receiving setting. You may delete the text as soon as you have received it. No need to store it. That means the data storage, the data consumption will not be there, or no space consumption will be there by this application. You can delete that SMS, received SMS immediately after getting it on your phone. The message do not contain any meaningful text but only some random character that you can ignore. So you don't have to read entire message, you don't have to focus on what is inside the SMS, you just have to receive it. That is all they want from your side, and once you received it you will get paid for it. So this is all in this video guys, and I hope you will start using this application. And now let me tell you the hidden trick. The hidden trick is, guys, here you can see they don't have any restriction to use the same PayPal account to claim your payout. That means, yes, you can use the same PayPal account for multiple mobile devices. So if you have your father's mobile, your mother's mobile, your sister mobile, your friend mobile who don't know about how to make money and other things, so what you can do is you can install this application in their phone and give your PayPal account in their application, and once they start receiving the messages you will get paid into your PayPal account. So this is the trick by which you can earn unlimited amount of money. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. I will give you more tricks like this, and stay tuned. Hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you.